Mubarak I, on behalf of the parents at Impact Hub Academy here in Ghana, I would like to say a very big thank you to our future prize and friends of Adaklu for donating Starlink internet device to Impact Hub Academy. We are very much grateful for this. Where cannot express how grateful we are. This will go a long way to help our children to become ICS ready.
My name is Adaklu Delight. I am 12 years old. I attend Peter DHHS in Ghana. I hope to break the circle of poverty starting from today with the support of this computing resource center. I can work online in the future. Thanks to friends of Adaklu for this opportunity.
My name is Nulani Emmanuel. I am 12 years old. I am attending school at Peter DHHS in Ghana. Thanks for this reliable internet connection, which is just at our doorstep. We can learn any day and anytime. Thank you, friends of Adaklu.
My name is Jocelyn Della Adaklu. I am 14 years of age. I attend school at Peter DHHS in Ghana. Learning computing will now be very easy. Thank you, our future friends.
My name is Sylvia Aki. I am the manager of Impact Hub Academy. On behalf of the facilitators, parents, I would like to thank friends of Adaklu and our future prize for donating this internet device to the school and the community at large. This is a timely intervention for the school and the community. This internet connectivity will go a long way to help the community and the learners at large. Thank you.
My name is Elsie Johnson. I am 7 years old. I attend school at Impact Hub Academy in Ghana. With this internet connection, I can learn with ease. Thank you, our future friends. My name is Katie Fulton. I am 7 years old. I attend school at Peter Salvation Army Basic School. I can now communicate with my friends through this online access. Thank you.